Hello, and this is John Abijing on the Minecraft game video. So guys, we are playing with my friend Lawrence. There you go.
Ah, what the?
I'm going because I love Faco. Like this. Oh, that was a major Faco. That is a major Faco. I have abs, you know.
Don't eat the cake, please.
Okay.
Don't eat the cake, hey! Don't eat.
Oh yeah.
Do you see that? Do you see this?
Do you see that? Do you see this? Well, tell me what you want, and I will give
This
you
cake
this.
is for win, and this cake is for lose. Who's ready to fall?
First fight.
Oy, Ika. Kayong dalawa ni Dada. Laban. Go!
I'm the cameraman, so see you guys if the fight is started. Okay guys, the fight is starting now. Danica versus Jeremy.
Oh my god! That's a good fight. Amira is in your back, Jonas.
Yeah. The fight is going on. No knock. Oh! Jeremy is stepping in the line. Oh, he fell. Knockout. Danica win. Get the fight. Round 2.
Hanggang round 3 lang po ang ating laban. Round 2 po, si Jeremy po ang nanalo.
Wala pa po.
Bakit? Di ba knockout ka? Ay, si Dani ka ba? Ay, si Dada ba? Ikaw ba yung panalo kanina?
Oo.
Ay, kala ko sino.
The fight is going on. Gian of the fight. Ting ting ting.
Kanya ang diamond sword kung sino mananalo.
Round 3. Fight. Round 3 na. Panalo si Dada. Kaya 1-1.
Lipat si Dada.
Siyempre nag-option ako.
Ah, nag-option pala siya eh.
Okay. Temporary error. Go in, go in.
Naman, saan naman?
Fight.
Gago, naka-ano. Nilaba, Florence.
The winner here we complained.
Makakalaban ko.
Yeah.
Guys, tignan mo yung laban, di nakasayad. Ay,
Makasarado ah.
okay, dadan hindi. Ay, may balls ka.
Nagahan kasi.
Hala, wala pa.
Okay, Burn. Panalo si Danica. Danica is the winner.
Hoy, kung napunta dun sa laba, wala. Wala yun.
Round 4. Up to 12 ba? Fight! Fight! Last round.
Up to 5.
Okay, up to 5. Okay, up! Danica, 4-1.
Oo, ganyan na talaga yan.
4-1. Fight!
Oh.
Round 5, final round. Fight! 3-1. Winner!
Kasi lumabas ka.
The winner is
Danica.
Danica. Ow.
Ngayon, maglalaban na kami ni Dada.
And guys, that is the fight between Jeremy and Danica. And he put the timers. That is amazing. So, guys, the final is going on. Florence and Danica is ready to fight. So see you guys if the game is ready. Round 1. Fight. Corner. Danica. Oh, charging. Looks like he's the winner. Oh, first round. Florence, winner. Round 2. Fight. Yung simple sa kabilo.
Oh, no.
Oh, just. Oh. Who's gonna burn? Who's gonna burn?
Maingay. Hindi maintindihan yung palabas eh.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god.
If they burn, the score is go to the winner. Last man standing. Oh, talk it out. Florence, winner. Announcement. If Danica win here, the fight is going to round 5. If Florence win here, the game is over. Florence is the winner. Thank you. Round 3. Fight. Remember, if Florence win here, the game is over. Florence is the champion. Talk it out. Tackling! Oh, that was close, guys. That was close.
You're simple to me, man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Florence is laughing for now.
Yeah.
Danica win.
Yeah.
The fight is going to round 5.
Ow. I think magkaka-round 5 pa.
Florence is cornered, and Danica is running out of time.
Valentino.
Dribbling. OMG. Oh, I'm punched. I gonna be knockout. Oh, ouch. Laki, oh. Cornered! Oh, that was close!
Uy, ano mo? Ano yung mukha mo sa... Oh!
Oh! Tackle out! Danica win! Announcement! Danica win! So we have a round 5. Thank you. Round 4 fight.
Para patalo ako dito. Muna.
Get cornered. Remember, if Florence win here, the game is over. Up to 3 wins needed. The punching lines. Florence is keep fighting in this fight.
Umuulan, naghahang ako eh.
Ting ting ting! End of round 4. Round 4 winner, Danica. Round 5. is going to fight 2-2. Pag nag-11 minutes yung thinking time.
Di ako Minecraft. Minecraft ako, Minecraft. Hello, girl. Hello, girl.
Ting, 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 ting! Decision. The winner is Florence the Crafter! Florence, what will you say about winning in that fight?
Because I think I'm winning this game.
Why?
This is the king of the fighter.
Ikot-ikot ang po siya.
And you. Because Danica is more, you know. It's my nose.
Kaboses ni